maybe what 30 million at most, because in the end the money will come really in effect in the form of volunteers who are going to volunteer and going to be inspired, and they will provide the support. The volunteer time is worth millions of pesos. If you started to pay these people who are volunteering, like her, whose salary is very expensive because she's a business executive. So, you know what I'm saying? So it will add up to millions. What we believe rather is that if you get the message out properly across in the internet and in the media, then people get inspired. They're going to volunteer, and then when they volunteer, they're going to donate their time, donate money and time in the process. So we're not so worried about having the money in the beginning, like most do. They call it the war chest. Using all that.
So right now, how many percent are from donation?
Ngayon, I think mga pampala, 20% siguro or less. The rest is mine. I'm spending my own money. I have a limit of 2 million of my own personal funds of spending. Beyond that, I won't spend because that defeats my own notion of new politics. My concept of new politics, which was also being asked earlier, 2 million.
2 million max.
Pesos, yes.
Pesos, yeah.
Pesos. And then,
Hindi kasi baka euro or dollars.
Pesos. Si Juan. Pera ni Juan. I believe that if I start spending more than 2 million, that means to say people are not attracted to me. To the extent that they will volunteer, that they will donate, and so on.
Ang legal na yun, 10 pesos.
Si ano diba, negative 5 million si JC.
What do you do?
What do I do?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
How do you earn money?
Before the election, before now?
Yeah.
Now I earn zero money. All my money is going out. But before I was a global consultant on integral sustainable development. So that's how I made my money. So I basically have been a consultant all my life. So I've never really had a job.
Ordinary consultant.
But right now you stopped being a consultant and just concentrated on the
I've actually resigned in some of my positions sa civil society to focus on the campaign. So now I have zero earnings aside maybe from an interest in a time deposit in a bank, which is getting depleted fast. But I'm not, I'm not worried about it because in the end I set my limit, and I really believe that people today are awake, are wanting something new, and they will come. And this is the other thing in new politics. You do not count what you have in the beginning as support. This is how a lot of traditional presidential candidates got off the boat. I know this from direct personal experience with them. They said, my God, this is so